This video shows how to buy shares of iPower Inc., a company in the industrial power and energy services sector listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IPW. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. Always research and verify before investing. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Open the platform search and type the ticker IPW to find iPower Inc. Make sure you pick the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and check the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the right asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, your position will appear in the portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Check the description for a link if you want to follow the same platform example.